Is Roblox down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with Roblox right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. As you can see here on Roblox status on Twitter, they already have here a message, a tweet with Roblox down. Roblox players are reporting the Roblox chat to be not working. A system message pops up saying that the chat filter is experiencing issues. We will keep you updated as the outage goes on. And also 2 hours ago, they said that players are also reporting the Roblox search to be not working and research made will result in no matches being available. Roblox has not officially acknowledged this issue as of now. So, in conclusion, guys, you are not the only one who has problems with Roblox right now. They will fix this as soon as possible. You can try to fix it by reinstalling the app or log out and then log in again. So if you do have issues with Roblox, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.